So one thing I will never do again is multi-level marketing. And honestly, you know what? I've done it when it was fairly popular back in the days when you had Isogenics. That's actually the one I did. Modere, all those ones. And when I got into those side hustles, this side hustle, the MLM one, I never enjoyed it because I always felt like you had to push the products to your friends and family. And you feel like, I always felt like they really felt bad for me. And some of them were buying of me just because they felt like I was desperate in a way. Oh, she really wants to sell something. So they were not buying because they liked the product, but just because they wanted to make me feel better in a way. So yeah, I never was good at this side hustle because I don't like to push things on people. I really don't. I don't like to be forced to buy something. So I wouldn't want to do that to someone else. So that's something I would never do. When I did it, I enjoyed the product. I did. But the fact that you had to get people under you so you would make money of them and everything, I really didn't like that. And when I got into digital marketing and selling digital products or even doing affiliate marketing, everyone thought that affiliate marketing is actually an MLM when it's not, because multi-level marketing is that multi-level marketing. So you need to have people under you to make money of them, and it's like a pyramid type of thing, pyramid scheme where yes, you do make more money. The more people you have, the more money you make. But in my case, doing affiliate marketing, it's different because you don't have anyone under you. You make a commission once for one person buying your product, the product you recommend, and that's it. If that person wants to become an affiliate for the company and sell the product to recommend the product to their people, you make nothing of that. So that's like a misinformation that's going around that affiliate marketing is an MLM. It's not. Just so it is not. And it is so much better because you don't feel like you have to push a team under you. You don't. You're taking care of your own business. It's your own business. You recommend your product, and that's about it. So if you've ever wondered the difference between the two, between the MLM and the affiliate marketing, this is it. And honestly, affiliate marketing was so much easier than MLM. I don't think I just pretty much have made pennies with MLM because, as I said, family and friends try the product of me. I've never ever sold to random people because this is not me. I can't do that. I can't force things on people. And I'm not an influencer. Literally, I'm not. I'm just a regular person who's trying to make it work outside of a 9-to-5 job. Affiliate marketing has nothing to do with MLM. And I recommend affiliate marketing to anyone because everybody can do it. You buy products on a regular basis, whether it's a cream for your face, whether it is a course, an online course, whether it is, I don't know, even going to Walmart. I believe they have an affiliate program, or Target, Amazon for sure. If you buy on Amazon, there you go. You can become an affiliate and make money of any product you recommend. So affiliate marketing is recommending product, but you don't have a team under you. You're just taking care of your own product and your own commission. So if you ever wondered, that's the difference. And don't be afraid to get into affiliate marketing thinking you're going to be part of an MLM, because you're not. And I promise you, it will prize you in a good way. You will make money so easily. It's just insane. It's just ridiculously insane that a lot of people are afraid of getting into affiliate marketing, thinking it's an MLM when it's not. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to get the guide under in the description, where I talk about digital products, but I also have a guide about affiliate marketing. MLM, definitely not doing it again, ever. And affiliate marketing, 100% doing it. I love it. You can make so much money of that without even trying hard. See you tomorrow for the next video. Today is my day 16 on my YouTube challenge, where I'm posting once a day for 30 days to see how I can grow my channel. So far, you know what? I'm not going to say it made a ton of difference, but let's see in the next 15 days if it changes. See you guys.